is in session. A verdict is in. No appeal on the docket today, just my own sin.